Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I'm setting up my planner for August. I have some pre-planning that I want to do on my monthly sheets, and then also I want to figure out the spreads that I plan on doing for the month. And then I keep forgetting to change out my cover seasonally, so I remembered this month to grab a cover that I want to change out my planner and make it a little bit more fun. This gives me like summer fun vibes. So we're going to change out this cover on my planner that I currently have to this fun Snoopy Peanuts cover. It's so cute. I don't know if this one's still available. This is an undated planner. Actually, I think this came in a Be Happy box, so I don't think it's available anymore. But definitely check out the Happy Planner because they've been coming out with really cute Peanuts themed items recently. So definitely stay tuned. Hopefully we'll see more in the future because I'm loving all of it. Okay, so I'm going to take this cover off. These are Snoopy discs. Cute. I would switch over the disc, but that is just way too much work. I'm going to keep my black disc that I currently have, but this one did come with Snoopy discs, which is really adorable. Okay, snap this on. All right. This could also be a front cover if you like that yellow polka dots. These are definitely a lot easier to remove because they're more of a plasticky, like a really thick, sturdy plastic. Look how cute that paper is. To remember to use that paper. Okay, yeah, that box was so cute. If you got your hands on that one, that was super adorable. All right, now I have my fun summer themed cover on here. That just makes me happy. Do what makes you happy. Makes me happy just looking at it. All right, now we're gonna go to my August section and plan out my month. Don't really have much going on this month. Well, actually, no, that's a lie. What am I talking about? Okay, I have things going on. So we have here the monthly sticky notes from KellofaPlan. Now, Heather came out with some new versions of this sticky notes, so they are available now. I think she just released them last month. She put out another sticky note pack. So if you're interested in these sticky notes, I will link them down in the description. They are $13.50 for these, and these are my go-to for pre-planning on my monthly sheets. They're perfection. Love them. And I'm going to use these. I've had these for years, and I use them every month. And they last a very long time for my plans. And I really enjoy using them. So for this month, we're gonna do red. This one's a little, I'm gonna remove that one. Okay, we're gonna do red because that's my nephew's favorite color. And it's his birthday this month. That's why I'm thinking of my nephew. So his birthday is on the 18th. So we're gonna put his birthday first. Actually, let me take these out. Yeah, so it's his birthday. I think he's, oh goodness, is he gonna be 14? Yeah, he's gonna be 14. Sorry, I need to fix my camera. Okay, he's gonna be 14 on the 18th. Aiden's 14th birthday. He's going into high school. That's so crazy. So his birthday's this weekend, and I asked my sister when we're celebrating his birthday's that week, but I asked her when we're celebrating his birthday because we don't live near each other. We're like 3 hours away, so we try to do something on a weekend. And since it's during the week, that's not gonna work for me to go out there because I have work. If it was like on a Friday or something, we could actually celebrate his birthday on the day, but she mentioned that she's gonna do the week of the 22nd. So I don't know what we're doing. I have to touch bases with her, but we're gonna celebrate his birthday. I'm just gonna be there to celebrate. A celebration. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's just a family thing or if it's gonna be a friends and family thing. I'm thinking friends and family kind of thing like we did last year. So that would be fun for that weekend. And then I do have some Disney days planned. Actually, I have 2 right now. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to go to both, but for sure it's gonna be on the 14th. Disney Day. Actually, I have some non-solo days this month, which is cool. With going with my friend Jaslyn on this day. We're gonna try to do like a night day, which I haven't been able to do, so I'm excited for that. And then my friend Tina, they both have passes too. My friend Tina said that this is the day, that the first day of Halloween. I know that sounds ridiculous, but Disney does do Halloween really early. So I really want to go this day with her. I'm gonna try to go this day, and then maybe I can, yeah, I could totally do that. I could go from here to San Diego to Anaheim. That's like an hour-and-a-half drive. Do Disney with Tina in the morning, and then drive to my sister's, which is an hour-and-a-half way, and it's all on the way too. So yes, I feel like I can do this. An hour-and-a-half to my sister's, and so that'll help cut the drive in half. Get to hang out with a friend and have fun, and then head over to my sister's. Otherwise, it'd be a 3-hour plus drive, depending on traffic. So, Disney day with Tina and then Jasmine. So those 2 Disney days, back-to-back weeks, which is always fun. But yeah, I think those are going to be my Disney days. Okay, what else do we have going on? I think, honestly, that's it, though. There might be some things happening at work, but I don't know yet if we're going to do. I think we're going to talk about it during the week, to try to see if there's something that we can do. One of my coworkers is coming from out of state. She's like our only remote out of state person that works for us, and she sometimes comes, and she's coming this week for 2 weeks, almost a week and a half actually. So we might be doing something special. Oh, actually, I do know of something. We're having tacos. When are we having tacos? I think we're having tacos Wednesday. That's very important to remember. Okay, especially for my meal plans and meal preps for the week. Okay, we're having tacos, which means my coworkers are making us tacos, which are amazing. We all kind of get together and well, the guys are the ones that cook up the meat. Yeah, they're really, they know what they're doing. And I think we're having cabeza tacos, so I can't wait for those. Those are really yummy. Excited for that. Usually we'll have like fish tacos, and my coworker will go and he'll get, like last time we had shark. That was really good. But yeah, they're really good at prepping all the stuff and cooking it. And I'm excited for tacos at work. So yeah, I will make sure, now that I know that, when it comes to my meal plan and meal prep for the week, I will keep that in mind, that one day I won't even need lunch for the day. Sometimes we have leftovers too, and then we'll carry them over and we'll just eat them for lunch again the next day. I don't know if we're gonna have that much to have leftovers, but that might be a possibility. So I might go light on my lunch that week, so that's good to know. Okay, what else do I have going on? What else is in August? I don't think I have anything else going on. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, that's my month. Not too bad. Yeah, only 2 weekends of doing stuff, and then I have a couple weekends where I'm at home, which I really like seeing that because trying to get stuff done. So that's gonna be my monthly pre-plan. Also, I'll use my plans to figure out spreads. So for instance, the first one I know automatically is the week of my nephew's birthday. I'm going to do a birthday spread for him. Now, when it comes to theme, I don't know what kind of theme I'm going to do for his birthday. I'm trying to think. I think last year I tried to pick something that he's into each year. And last year I did, he really is like really into geography, and like he knows every country's flag. Like if you show him a flag, he will know what country it is, and he knows where all the countries are. He's really good at that stuff. And so I did a spread with all flags around the page. I don't want to do the same thing. I'm trying to think of what he's into right now. I have to ask my sister to... I feel like recently I've noticed he's really obsessed with pretzels. Maybe I could do a pretzel spread. Like whenever we go somewhere, we go to a restaurant, he always wants to order like either one of those big soft pretzels. Yeah, he always wants pretzels. So maybe I could do a pretzel spread because that reminds me of him and that would be cute. Actually, yeah, that would be a cute idea. Okay, maybe a pretzel spread. But I'll have to find images and stickers and stuff. I'll have to probably make my own stickers. Usually that's what I have to do for his spreads because unless you know of sticker books that have pretzels in it, and I might have the sticker book. We'll see. Okay, so that one for sure is my nephew's birthday. I do have 2 Disney days. I can't do this Disney day as a Disney spread because it's my nephew's birthday spread for this week. So I'm probably just going to do a Disney spread for this week of the 14th. So that's this week. And then I do have a new Disney sticker book. This one's fun. It's very like retro. Well, yeah, it's very retro and summer vibes kind of feel. So this is perfect for this one. So I will use this sticker book. We have, oh yeah, it's called Retro Mickey. Retro Mickey spread here. This one is a new sticker book from the Happy Planner, so definitely check that one out. It's really cute. Okay, for the first week of August, I think... Okay, I have Summer Edit. I feel like this is a good book. I love all the stickers in here, so this is a good one to pull stickers from. I really like this one, the colors. I think I want to do this one. Okay, I think this is the one because it's really pretty. Let me grab a sticky note just to mark this page. This is the one I want to use. But there's also more gorgeous stuff too. Oh, that one's pretty too. But I really like this one with the pink and the blue. Okay, so we're going to do Summer Edit for this one. Oh, and I'm going to let you choose a spread too. I like doing that. So that'll probably maybe be the last week. So I have some books set aside that you can vote on in this video. Okay, so I got the first week, the second week, third week. So I have, this will be the spread that you vote on. Okay, so I have, how many books do I have here? Hold on, let me check. I think I'm just gonna do these 3. Okay, so I have 3 sticker books here. So we have Cozy Cup. This one's a coffee theme one. It has like really cute line art, like very sketchy kind of line artwork in here, which is really fun. I like the colors. I love coffee, so totally down for a coffee spread. This is a new book from, and also it's like boba. It's other stuff too, boba and tea and stuff like that. It's not just coffee. But this is a book that just recently came out from the Happy Planner. So if it's still available, I will have it linked. All of the books that are available, I'll have them linked. So that's the first option is Cozy Cup. This was in the round from last month's voting spread, or vote for the spread. I don't know, whatever I'm calling it. So this is Chalkboard Charm. This is like a back to school kind of, but honestly more stationery because I don't have anything to do with back to school, so that doesn't matter to me when I use this. But it does have a lot of stationery kind of stuff with pens, and it's very neutral and got some books and different things like that. So I thought this one would be fun to use. Very neutral tones, really nice stickers in here. So that's Chalkboard Charm. And then we have this fun Saved by the Bell one. This one in last month's vote got second place. So I know this one is a very fun, popular one. And again, it gives me those summer vibes, very retro and very nostalgic for me because I watched the show growing up. I loved it. So this one will be fun to use. So I'm going to let you decide which one I'm using. Let me just double check. Did I do all my spreads? Oh, I did. Okay. Just want to make sure I got all my spreads. Yeah, okay. So yeah, you're gonna vote on which one you want me to use for this week, for the last week of August. So it's gonna be, hold on, I'm gonna read this one first. Cozy Cup, Okay. Chalkboard Charm. And then we have Saved by the Bell. So let me know in the comments, just comment your favorite one, and then I will tally up all of the sticker books, like the counts. And then whichever one gets the most votes in the comments will be the one that I use for the last week of August. Okay? Sounds great. All right, so those are all the spreads. That was pretty easy though. Well, with the exception of my nephew's birthday, because that one I'll have to make stickers and have a little bit more thought process behind that one on how I'm going to do something cute for that week. But that's it. I have my planner pre-planned, my monthly pre-planned. Oh wait, no, I need to figure this out. I need to figure out my monthly spread. Hold on, I didn't actually do that. So let me find, okay, I had pulled this one. I don't know if I want to use this one. This one, is this very summery? Oh, workout. Oh, I don't want that. I don't want a workout one. I don't think this one. Actually, this could be cute. Should I do this one? I think so. You know what? This one is kind of cute. Like, it has really cute boxes and stuff that I can use. They can kind of sort of fit in here. Maybe. These are cool. I could do those. I like these. Okay, this one's fun. We're gonna do, this is a new one too. This is a new book, a revival book. Stick Babe Revival. Oh, you know what? Let me do a different color. So we're gonna do Stick Babe Revival spread. Since I wasn't able to do a, I didn't do a planner, what was it? Was it on August 1st is a planner day, isn't it? National Planner Day. This will be like the National Planner Day spread, but it'll come out after, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, this would be cute. Okay, so that's gonna be my monthly spread. That figured out. Summer Edit sticker book. Yes, that gorgeous theme. Then we have Retro Mickey, super cute Mickey and mini stickers. My nephew's spread, and then the voting spread. Make sure to vote. Okay, so that is my planner setup for August for this year. Okay, that is gonna be it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel because that really helps out. I'm trying to hit that 70,000 subscriber goal, so definitely help me to get there, please. But yeah, that's gonna be it. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.